Welcome to my channel, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make a network cable patch lead and fit in Rj45 connectors using pass-through ones. As you can see, this is the pass-through Rj45 connectors, and sometimes we call it snap plugs as well. So the tools that you need for today is Rj45 connectors. This is the pass-through ones, not with the old ones, the closed ones. So these are the new ones. It's so easy to use it. And you need a sidey as well, and you need a strain relief boots as well. Stop the little clips, these little clips lever from snapping. And you need a wire stripper. So the crimping tool that I'm using today is FT45, and it has this cutting blade as well. So you need a side cutter as well, and you need Cat6 Ethernet cable. And the most essential thing is you need to have is cable tester. So this cable tester, it tests 8 wires individually to make sure it's working correctly before you jump in and using it for your own task. So with the Cat6, as you can see, you got 4 pairs in here, about 8 wires inside. So the plastic, as you can see, the plastic core running down there. It is so most of the people, like, they're saying, oh, why is that a plastic core in there? So that's for to reduce the crosstalk between 4 pairs. And so when you're stripping your Cat6, make sure you leave enough length cable, around 4 centimeter or 3 centimeter. So you can 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And fold it back, as you can. And before putting your Rj45 connector, make sure you put your strain relief boots before it's too late. So just put it across and slide it in, and that's it. And then separate your 8 wires. As you can see, we got this plastic core, as I told you, and we got this rip cord as well. So make sure to snip them off with this side cutter. And now the method that I'm using to untwist these pairs is 1, 2, and then grab your flat screwdriver and just slide it in between these 2 wires, as you can see, just in between, and then grab it with your thumb from here, and now push your screwdriver. As you can see, it's so easy. And then now you can make it straight, nice and flat and straight. See? And another method I'm going to show you guys how to, most of the people, they're using this method as well, but I prefer this one. Is too quick. They're using this this sheet that you just took it off, and you just slide it in and then twist around it. This way is easy as well. So now grab your flat screwdriver and make them nice and straight. With the other ones, repeat the same thing. Make all them nice and straight, and with the other pair as well, make it nice and straight. As you can see, these 4 pairs, they're nice and straight, they're not curvy, and as you can see. So now the diagram that I'm using is T568A. So make sure to match all these colors with that diagram. So what I need is I need a solid green, and I need a solid orange and blue, and then I need a solid blue, and then orange. Make sure you made them nice and flat. And then I need a solid brown and brown. Make sure you make them straight, just doing like this. As you can see, it's nice and straight. And now grab your side cutter and cut it nice and straight. As you can see, cut it straight, just like this, as you can see. And now grab your Rj45 pass-through plugs. Make sure this little pin is facing down, and this side and this side is facing towards you. And now slide your 8 wire inside it. As you can see, you can pass the 8 wires through these connectors. It made it so easy for us. So with the old systems, you can't do it like this. And if you make mistakes, you have to cut it, and you can't use back the Rj45 plug again. You have to throw it away and cut your cable again. And as you make mistakes, your cable's getting shorter on the way down, you know. So and now slide it in. As you can see, check your colors they're matching. Yep, they're all good. If they're not matching, just slide it off and take it off, and match it again, match the color codes with your diagram again, and put it back. And now grab your crimping tool. So the crimping tool that I'm using is FT45. This little pin has to face up, as you can see, and put it in, and then squeeze the trigger slowly, as you can see, just like that. We're done now. See, it's looking very good. So now slide your strain relief boots. So repeat the same thing with the other end. So now it's time to test the cable, whether the 8 pairs are working correctly with this cable tester. So we put one end in here and the other end on the other side, and now we turn it on. As you can see, these lights is going through all the 8 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs. So if this both lights, they're running down in order, so it means the wiring is correct. If that's not running in order, like one of them is on 3 and this side is on 4, so in that time you need to check your cables. You made some mistakes in there. So as you can see, so alrighty, thanks everyone for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel, so stay tuned for my other video.